As dusk embraces Samoa, Apia's night market transforms into a vibrant canvas of culinary delights. Navigate through stalls bursting with color and life, where the aroma of grilled meats and tropical fruits fills the air. This is where the essence of Fa'a Samoa, the Samoan way, thrives, a place of social connection and shared joy. The heart of Samoa's street food beats with dishes like palusami and panipopo. Wrapped in banana leaves, palusami's blend of taro leaves and coconut milk is a taste of tradition, while the sweet coconut-infused panipopo buns are a nod to Samoa's rich culinary heritage. Each bite is a story, each flavor a chapter in the island's history. As night falls, the markets come alive with more than just food. Traditional performances and the beat of Pacific drums enhance the dining experience, showcasing Samoa's vibrant culture. The communal spirit is infectious, with shared laughter and dance under the starlit sky, epitomizing the generous heart of Samoan hospitality. Delve into Samoa's culture through cooking experiences that celebrate family and heritage. Learn to prepare dishes like palusami in a traditional umu, and dine with local families, gaining insight into the significance of food in Samoan ceremonies. These encounters are gateways to the Fa'a Samoa, fostering a deeper connection with the island's way of life. Journey along Samoa's east coast for a culinary adventure that marries breathtaking nature with authentic cuisine. Visit local markets, partake in cooking sessions with Samoan chefs, and feast on freshly caught seafood. This tour is a sustainable exploration of the island's flavors and traditions, supporting local communities along the way. Eco-trekking in Samoa is a sustainable path through stunning landscapes, offering a fusion of adventure and culinary discovery. By participating in eco-friendly tours, you contribute to the preservation of Samoa's natural beauty and support local families. It's an experience that balances exploration with conservation. Experience the Fa'a Samoa way through traditional cooking methods that bring communities together. The umu is central to this, where food is slow cooked to perfection, fostering a sense of sharing and togetherness. Embrace the Samoan way of life as you enjoy traditional dances and the island's gastronomic delights. Samoa's hook and cook experiences connect you with the sea's bounty and the island's culinary customs. Catch fish using age-old techniques and learn to prepare it with local chefs. Enjoy your meal in a communal setting, a true celebration of the Samoan way of life. For a refined twist, visit top restaurants like Paddle's Restaurant and Bar, where local ingredients meet fine dining. Book with a Samoa specialist at Far and Away Adventures.